Imagine a peaceful place then, in a heartbeat. Chaos. A massive tree crashes down, crushing metal and shattering silence. What went wrong? How did a simple tree cutting turn into a total disaster? Stay tuned for the shocking twist in this unbelievable story. Imagine waking up to a normal day, only to hear a loud crash outside. You rush to see what happened, and there it is. A huge tree has fallen right onto a house. Windows are shattered, walls are damaged, and what once felt safe now feels scary. Trees falling on houses can cause big problems, from damage to danger for the people inside. Whether it's due to strong winds, heavy rain, or not checking tree safety, the results can be serious. Let's look into how this happens and what we can do to keep our homes safe from falling trees. Whoa, that was way too close. There was a split-second difference and we might have witnessed a disaster. This guy's quick reflexes are straight out of a superhero movie. Maybe he took Live on the Edge a bit too literally. Tree cutting, especially in tight residential areas, is no joke. One wrong calculation and boom, chaos ensues. Luckily, no one got hurt this time, but that could have gone south real quick. The loud buzz of the chainsaw filled the air as the tall tree began to tilt. But instead of falling safely away, it crashed straight into the little house nearby.
Oh shit.
In seconds, the peaceful home turned into a scene of chaos. Branches smashed through windows, and the heavy trunk broke walls like they were made of paper. Dust filled the rooms, and what was once a cozy living space now looked like a forest had moved in. Imagine coming back to find your kitchen taken over by a huge tree. The fridge is crushed, the dining table is in pieces, and leaves cover everything. It's a powerful reminder that cutting down trees is no simple task. One small mistake turned a regular day into a disaster. It's always best to hire professionals, plan carefully, and remember, when a tree and a house collide, the house usually loses. Where's the safety gear? There's no harness, no helmet, and not even a pair of goggles. The man stands there, high up, as if he's just enjoying a picnic. It's shocking to see how relaxed he is, given the danger all around him. If you take one wrong step, things could go very wrong. The height alone is enough to make anyone nervous, but he seems completely unfazed. There are no safety measures, no backup plan, just him balancing in a risky spot. Accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. A slip, a strong gust of wind, or a misstep could turn this casual scene into a serious accident. It's not just about his safety either. People around him could also be at risk if something goes wrong. It's hard to understand why someone would take such a significant risk without the proper safety gear. Safety equipment exists for a reason, to keep people protected and to prevent accidents. Being careful and prepared is not a choice, it's a necessity. After all, nothing is more important than making sure everyone goes home safe and sound at the end of the day. How many windows bit the dust? Taking down large dead trees is a must. They're ticking time bombs that can fall whenever they want. This is what happens when inexperience meets overconfidence. It is a risky combo that turns simple tasks into dangerous adventures. Seriously, that could have ended much worse. It's like a tug of war with nature. Trees weighing thousands of tons don't play around. But this guy's got nerves of steel. Respect. Safety should always come first. Gear up properly, avoid risky positions, and keep your focus sharp. Better safe than sorry. It all started with just one tree falling, but as it crashed to the ground, it wasn't alone for long. The first tree pulled down the branches of its neighbors, and soon, many trees were toppling over, one after another. It was like a chain reaction. Once the first tree went down, the others seemed to follow without a fight. The scene was both surprising and a little scary. The sound of cracking wood and the thud of trunks hitting the earth echoed all around. Birds flew away in a rush, and small animals scattered, confused and frightened by the sudden chaos. It's strange how one small event can lead to such a significant impact. These trees, which had stood firm for years, were now lying on the ground, roots exposed and branches broken. It was a reminder of how connected things in nature are. When one part is disturbed, it can affect everything around it. This situation shows us how important it is to take care of our environment. Sometimes, a single action, whether by nature or humans, can change an entire landscape. And once the damage is done, it can take a long time to heal. It was a regular day in the busy neighborhood. Kids played on the streets, neighbors chatted, and everything felt normal. But something risky was happening nearby. A group of workers started cutting down a huge tree in the middle of the crowded area. They didn't have safety gear, didn't measure the tree's height, and didn't seem to care about the people around them. With every cut, the tall tree began to sway. It creaked loudly, and those watching grew more nervous. Some shouted warnings, while others stood still, unsure of what to do. Then, suddenly, the tree crashed down. Its massive branches smashed into a nearby house, breaking the roof and sending debris everywhere. The noise was terrifying. Wood cracked, glass shattered, and a cloud of dust filled the air. The house, once a safe and warm place, was now damaged and dangerous. People rushed over, worried if anyone was inside. The workers stood still, their tools silent, realizing their huge mistake.
Oh my.
This was more than just an accident. It was a disaster caused by carelessness. The fallen tree wasn't just wood on the ground. It showed how a lack of planning and safety could ruin a home and put lives at risk. This incident left the community in shock. It was a hard lesson that safety should always come first. As the dust settled, everyone knew one thing for sure. This could have been prevented if proper steps had been taken.
True that. One moment of complacency, and it could have ended badly. Trees demand our full attention. When you're on your own, cutting down an old oak tree is no joke. It's a tricky situation.
Así se trepa, pobrecito.
Luckily, no one was in the bathroom when the tree fell.
I bet the folks who built that tree house never imagined it'd be coming down like this.
Oh, you okay?
That was a close call. Cutting trees isn't a DIY job. Next time, they should leave it to the experts to handle.
Damn.
Nature is a beast. It's hard not to feel insignificant when you see that kind of raw power. We're just a blip in the grand scheme of things.
No. Oh. Oh my, that makes me laugh so much. It's like two old men wrestling each other.
You might have the best gear and the best plan, but trees aren't always predictable. They can be sneaky, even when you're sure you've got everything under control.
You all right? Yeah, I'm good.
Big storms are no joke, man. It's like nature flexing its muscles. Lucky for him, that tree decided the shed was enough.
When there's a ladder in a tree, I often see bad things happen. Luckily, he made the right choice by abandoning the chainsaw. Otherwise, it could have been a disaster. Oh, that's unexpected. That's a technique I've never seen anyone use to fell a tree. It's too late to fix the mistake even after realizing it.
Terry! It's coming! It's coming!
The price to pay is a damaged vehicle. perfect. Accurate judgment of the tree's size, height, and weight made the job easy and Cutting down trees in the forest during winter is extremely dangerous. Misjudging the weight and lean of the tree can lead to errors due to the snow accumulated on the branches and trunk. Luckily for him, he had quick reflexes.
You all right?
With a weight of several thousand tons and in a challenging position, he chose the best approach to ensure his safety and successfully complete the task. Knock, knock. It's just trying to knock on the door to ask if anyone's home. It's way too scary. Everything was perfect, but I don't understand why he ran toward danger. Fortunately, no accidents happened to him. Too fast, too dangerous, and he was incredibly lucky. No helmet, no safety goggles, no harness. Is he playing with fire or showing off his skill? Exactly. Moments like these really highlight why safety gear is so crucial. One small mistake or lack of proper protection can turn a job into a dangerous situation. Always prioritize.
Even with a barber chair situation, this expert tree cutter shows why he's at the top of his game. Whoa, what are they thinking? This is a recipe for disaster waiting to unfold.
That's how it's done.
Power lines and a 40-foot tree? That's a recipe for disaster. This is exactly the kind of job that screams professional help required.
Oh no. Oh no. Just the fact that the tree was already tilting that way to begin with.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps the channel grow. If you haven't already, Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, suggestions, or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback is super valuable and keeps us motivated to bring you more great videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.